plonkers, that's Scots last year, and seeing as it's the A to Z blog challenge this month and my theme is all things Scots, fucking surprise surprise, 10 things that's a dead giveaway that you're Scottish. Now this goes hand in hand, or was it hand in hand, with the A to Z blog challenge that's happening at the moment. I was well prepared this year. I did all my posts way before the time and scheduled them so that I wouldn't get as stressed out as I did last year. I got totally stressed out last year and it actually put me off blogging for a really long time, and I think it's because every person who visited my blog and left a comment, I'd follow them. Well, I'd obviously go and visit them first to see if they had a legitimate blog, and then I'd follow them thinking that, oh well, there can't be too many more people that come, new people that come and comment on my blog during the blog challenge. Well, little did I know, hundreds of people came to fucking visit, and I just bit off way more than I could chew, and I stressed myself out trying to keep following them after the challenge, and it didn't work out. So I vowed this year that I would do it properly. I'd really enjoy visiting a good handful of blogs every day and not stress myself out to follow them. I could comment, I could check their blog out. If I really liked them, I'd follow them, and I've only done that with not even a handful of people yet. But it's only day 6. I've actually stumbled across awesome blogs in the process, and I really look forward to seeing loads more. You know, the themes this year are awesome. Everybody has put in so much effort. You know, you can tell that they've really thought about this and planned it better than they have previously. Anyway, so back to the 10 things that's a dead giveaway you're Scottish, right? Number 1, I am completely blind to the cold, the wind, and any sort of shitey weather. Number 2, I am ginger. All Scots are ginger, and we all run around wearing kilts all the time. Number 3, I live in a castle, and everybody's name in Scotland starts with Mac. Number 4, we all drink whiskey. Cheers, mate, and we're all forever drunk. Pissed as a fart. Don't be shy and keep it coming, alright? We don't all love whiskey, right? Number 5, I eat haggis every meal. I just love munching down on a sheep's stomach. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Number 6, I'm always angry and pissed off about something, okay? Right? Always fucking pissed off with somebody. Number 7, my pale skin loves the sunshine. I can't wait to get out there in my fucking string bikini and get burnt and look like a lobster, come in, get into a hot bath and cry myself to sleep, peeling the next day and the next and probably the next, only to do it next summer all over again. So Scottish. Number 8, I learnt to swear before I could even count. 1, 2, 3, 4. For fuck's sake, get it right! Who gives a shite? Number 9. You know, I really want to hear that your auntie's brother's cousin's fucking dog came from Scotland. Yeah, because I know absolutely everyone in Scotland. I mean, there's only a few hundred people there, right? 10. Oh wait, I don't have a number 10. We all wear tartan all the time. You know, actually, this was the only tartan thing that I could find in my house, which was a piece of ribbon taken from my wedding flowers, which was fucking 13 years ago. I actually realised I had nothing tartan in the house except this. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm not 100% Scottish if you think about it. I mean, I have been in South Africa for the last 30 years. You could say I'm a little bit bastardised now, being a Scot in South Africa. People always say to me, "Oh, are you Irish?" Which always really fucking cheeses the Scotsman off. For some or other reason, we hate being compared to the little fucking leprechauns across the ocean. So just don't do it. If you're not sure, just don't try and figure it out by yourself. Just say, "Are you Czechoslovakian?" or something, but don't call us Irish, right? Remember to come and visit and leave a comment. Cheers for now, plonkers.